Down but not out. It's like I'm racing for time. They try to keep me in the dark, but I'm anxious to shine. They told me to stop rapping, but I stayed on my grind. Put my heart into the paper, start speaking my mind. I ain't no Martin to a Luther, but I'm having a dream. Envision a young prince becoming the king, determined to be the best man. By all means, they went from giving me cold shoulders to blowing off steam. Man, they didn't want me to be a part of the team. I left SUG to become a stronger me. Now people want a part of me until the point they try to put up on the front like a chick wearing product jeans. 27 years of hard man living, it got my mind all tough and my heart to be strengthened. Bad boy made Diddy look good. I was down and out soon, I'ma upgrade up out the hood. That piece of grease. What's up, guys? I am back and I am feeling good right now. I can't lie, I can't complain. You know, I thank God for the way that he has the universe working, and no matter what's going on, I'm still going to be great, and you should too. Believe that. Like, why am I covering up? I'm cold. It's cold in Indiana. Shoot, it just snowed last night. But anyways, I wanted to put this out here. Nobody liked, commented, or shared the post that I had for the last video. So guess what? We may have to do it again. If you haven't seen it already, go ahead and watch the last video. You'll understand why I'm doing this right here. I'm doing a tutorial, or just a pretty much how to grow a beard. Stay tuned.